Hey guys, are you searching for the ultimate way to make money online? Look no further. In today's video, we'll uncover why cryptocurrency is the best way to boost your personal finance and achieve financial freedom. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the incredible growth potential of cryptocurrencies. Over the past decade, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have witnessed exponential growth, creating immense wealth for early adopters. The value of some cryptocurrencies has skyrocketed, turning ordinary people into millionaires practically overnight. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies provides a level playing field for everyone. Unlike traditional financial systems, crypto allows anyone, regardless of their background or location, to participate in this lucrative market. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or an aspiring entrepreneur, crypto opens up endless possibilities for wealth creation. Moreover, cryptocurrencies offer unparalleled accessibility. With just an internet connection, you can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on various user-friendly platforms. The barriers to entry are minimal, allowing you to start investing with as little as a few dollars. This accessibility empowers individuals to take control of their finances and start building wealth from anywhere in the world. One of the most compelling advantages of cryptocurrencies is security. Blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies, ensures that transactions are transparent, secure, and resistant to fraud. The use of cryptography and decentralized networks adds an extra layer of protection, making it extremely difficult for hackers to compromise your funds. When it comes to online wealth creation, having peace of mind and financial security is crucial. Furthermore, cryptocurrencies offer a diverse range of opportunities to generate income. Besides traditional investing, you can engage in crypto mining, staking, lending, and even participate in decentralized finance, DeFi, projects. These avenues provide additional streams of income and can be tailored to your risk appetite and financial goals. To conclude, if you're looking for the best way to make money online and secure your financial future, cryptocurrency is the way to go. Its tremendous growth potential, accessibility, security, and versatility make it a powerful tool for personal finance. However, it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks, and it's crucial to do thorough research, seek professional advice, and practice responsible investing. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of cryptocurrency and take control of your financial destiny? Start your journey today and embrace the world of crypto. Remember, with knowledge, diligence, and a long-term mindset, you can pave your way to financial success. Subscribe for more videos like this.